Ever been caught in that situation? You're at the grocery store, a cart overflowing with delicious treats and life essentials. You reach for your wallet, ready to conquer checkout like a champion, only to discover doom. Your debit card balance is staring back at you, mockingly low. You think, frantically searching for the ATM. But wait, a question pops into your head. How much cash can I even withdraw with this SoFi card anyway? Let's face it, SoFi is awesome. Competitive rates, sleek apps, all that good jazz. But navigating the world of digital banking can get confusing, especially when it comes to cold, hard cash. Fear not, fellow SoFi user, because today's your lucky day. We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of SoFi ATM withdrawals, exploring those pesky limits, and uncovering some sneaky workarounds to get the money you need when you need it. So, grab a snack, settle in, and get ready to become a SoFi ATM withdrawal pro. Breaking down the basics, daily ATM limits. Alright, let's get straight to the point. SoFi, like most banks, has daily limits on how much moolah you can pull out of an ATM. We're talking about the green kind, the kind that satisfyingly dispenses from the machine. Now, the exact amount can vary depending on your account type, but for most SoFi checking and savings accounts, the magic number is $1,000 per day. That means you can hit the ATM once and snag a grand total of $1,000. Hold on, there's more. SoFi understands that emergencies happen. Maybe your car decides to impersonate a spaceship on the highway, or your fridge mysteriously develops an insatiable appetite for groceries. Whatever the reason, if you need to access more than $1,000, you have a couple of options. Option 1. Talk to SoFi support. SoFi has a fantastic customer support team. If you have a legitimate reason for needing a higher withdrawal limit, like an upcoming vacation or a major purchase, they might be able to temporarily increase it for you. Just be prepared to explain your situation and provide any necessary documentation. Option 2. Transfer funds beforehand. This might seem obvious, but hey, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. If you know you'll need a larger chunk of cash, you can always transfer the money from your SoFi account to an external bank account that allows higher ATM withdrawals. Then, you can hit up that external bank's ATM and get the amount you need. Beyond the ATM, alternative withdrawal methods. While ATMs are convenient, they're not the only way to access your SoFi cash. Here are a couple of other options to consider. Debit card purchases. Remember that plastic fantastic in your wallet? You can use your SoFi debit card to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. No ATM needed. SoFi even reimburses you for ATM fees at non-allpoint ATMs, up to $15 per month. That's pretty sweet. ACH transfers. Need to transfer money to another bank account? SoFi allows for free ACH transfers, which typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Not the fastest option, but it gets the job done. So, can you withdraw everything from your SoFi account? Hold your horses there, moneybags. While SoFi offers great flexibility, it's important to remember it's not a magic money machine. There are no daily limits on transfers out of your SoFi account, but you can't just walk up to an ATM and expect to withdraw your entire life savings. Here's the deal. If you're trying to withdraw a very large amount, SoFi might require additional verification to ensure everything is copacetic. This is just a security measure to protect you and your hard-earned cash. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding SoFi's withdrawal options and limits, you'll be a financial whiz in no time. No more scrambling at the ATM, wondering if you have enough for that overflowing grocery cart. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.